I've heard about a village where the believers of the old faith and Christianity used to live together in peace until the curse of the Wasteland reached them too. Since then, it's been a living hell, despite the efforts of Sir Tegyr, the protector of the village. He seems like an extraordinary knight to have achieved this much. So I decided to send out my men to help him out.
I feel so tired. Are you real or just another figment of my imagination? I'm not so sure anymore. I must have been working for days. My bones are aching. Care to help me raise another cross? I promised my daughter I'd raise as many crosses as I can. There is still hope. There must be. It's the Fisher King's curse. Where you were standing was once a lush woodland. Then the corruption swept over like a filthy tide, withering everything in its wake. The village nearby was my home, where I raised children with a loving wife. They are all gone, but maybe their souls can be laid to rest. They sacrificed everything to save the people, but it wasn't enough. I've forsaken them. Not before you help me put an end to this nightmare. Then my sword is all yours. I want a merciful death for my son, daughter, and wife, or what is left of them. But now they live again, stuck in a rotting shell. I can't do it alone. I just can't. Will you help me or not? Either way, please don't waste more time. Each cross stands for a soul to be saved from damnation. My daughter told me to erect them before the curse took her. Sir Tegyr, I served as Arthur's counselor and cupbearer, but no one remembers my name.
It's all hazy. I battled King Arthur and we both died. And still we both live.
Tegyr, the Fisher King's lapdog. So you finally decided to leave the safety of your rotten Christ.
I've no quarrel with you. Just let us pass. There is enough death already.
Your king poisoned our lands. Everyone who bowed to him must die. Then maybe Balor will have mercy on us.
I also lost everything dear to me. For the last time, let us pass, and we shall be on our way.
Are you begging now, Christmonger? We need fresh bodies to finish what your whelping started. Thanks for bringing your friends along.
What are you savages up to? Let the village die in peace.
Oh, we shall make sure that nothing remains here. Now fight well to please the gods.
Blessings.
I can take them all.
Your Highness?
Your orders?
Ready to fight.
The Lord is my witness.
Sinners shall bleed.
None can stand in my way.
Died for our sins.
You're still standing. Ready to fight.
Lord Almighty, will this killing ever end? They wanted my head because I served King Pellas before he turned into a monster called the Fisher King. My son, Lon, who, unlike my daughter, refused Christianity, he started a pagan ritual to save the village. Yes, they were. We let them choose whatever path they wanted to take. I married the daughter of a tribesman, you see. We all have our cross to bear. This is the village where the people of Christ and the followers of Old Faith lived together, peacefully. When the Fisher King's curse struck, we fought the inevitable with prayer and old magic. We saved a few souls, but not from death. Some villagers rose again as monsters. Some are just harmless prowlers who kept their sanity. Soon you shall see. And somewhere between these crumpled huts, my once beloved wife was haunting.
a step further, iron-skinned snakes. Your plague will devour everything unless we finish the ritual. The one King Pelham spread across our lands like gangrene. The very one Tegyr's son foolishly tried to tame. He came to this sacred place where blood used to run like a river to appease the gods. He grabbed the sacrificial dagger and failed. Now it's up to us to make amends. The boy sacrificed villagers here before the plague took him as well. But the ritual's incomplete until he also takes the blade. We have no other choice. He's already dead anyway. Leave, or behold the ritual with your heads on a pike. All the better. Baylor always thirsts for more blood.
No mercy for the wicked.
For king and country.
Your Highness.
I serve the Lord.
At your service, my lord.
For my Camelot.
Took a hit.
Stay alive just a little longer. I am still breathing.
Hang in there.
Your Highness.
Sinners shall bleed.
None None can stand in my way. Taste my blade. Prepare to die.
For king and country.
Just a light injury.
Blessings.
None can stand in my way. Kneel before your king.
I am here to serve.
Justice has prevailed again. I shall put this to good use. A place to set up camp.
Time to get up, knights.
Look there.
The gods are pleased with your offerings, Father. Oh, all the sweet blood your friends have spilt.
Lon, my son, what did you do?
What you and Anise couldn't. Saving the people with crosses. Begging to your pitiful Christ.
I never scorned your beliefs, my son. We have long accepted that you have chosen the old faith. But human sacrifices.
First, the villagers brought me lambs to kill. The gods didn't listen. Then the fathers and mothers came, offering their necks, hoping the children could be saved.
Lon, you are going to burn in hell for this. Pray to the Lord Christ and repent.
I'm already there, Father. Did you know that Mother also came to save you and Anise? With a heavy heart, I also put her to the blade.
You sacrificed your mother to please the pagan gods. You are a monster, Lon. You are insane.
The everlasting circle is about to close, Father. Time to offer your neck to me. Otherwise, Mother's and Anise's sacrifice was in vain. Or kill yourself right where you stand.
I shall hear this blasphemy no more. The curse left nothing of my son in that husk. Knights of Camelot, attack!
The Lord is my witness.
None can stand in my way.
I fight for honor.
No mercy for the wicked.
I can take them all.
What do we have here?
My reputation is always dire, I admit that. What can I say? I've never suffered fools easily.
A brief respite for a prayer.
What is this thing?
A shrine over there.
Easy there. Equal shares to all.
No mercy for the wicked. The Lord is my witness.
Your orders?
Your orders?
Sinners shall bleed.
Your orders?
No mercy for the wicked.
Just a light injury.
Taste my blade.
Blessings.
I am here to serve.
None left standing. What a surprise.
Oh, I was so happy. About to have my firstborn. Then, the blackness came. I gave birth, screaming in terror, to a sack of lukewarm, stillborn flesh. So I clawed out my own eyes, so as not to see.
Come forth, creature. The Lord is my witness.
None can stand in my way.
The Lord guides my hand. Blessings.
Time to feed the ravens.
I fight for honor.
I am here to serve.
Your orders?
Just a few. I could take a few more.
Your Highness.
Your command? For Camelot.
No mercy for the wicked.
For my Camelot.
Your orders?
The Lord is my witness.
Your Highness.
Words of the earth.
I serve the Lord.
Ready to fight. I am ready.
For king and country. Victorious. We could all use some rest.
I can taste your despair, Father. About to raise a cross for me. So I am here to suffer until eternity.
Anise, my daughter, don't deny the Lord's grace.
I devoted my whole life to the Lord Almighty. So I fought the curse with prayer in His name. Foolish me.
I raised a forest of crucifixes, as you told me, my child. We saved many souls from the village.
Your daughter's life for some filthy peasants. I accepted all their suffering until the Fisher King's curse flowered in my bosom.
Anise, please.
Can you hear it as it gnaws me from the inside?
I can't take this anymore. Knights of Camelot, help me!
Be a good father for once. Come and kill me.
Sinners shall bleed.
Time to feed the ravens.
I serve the Lord.
ready.
Your orders?
For the Lord Almighty. Defend yourself.
I am wounded.
Your orders?
No mercy for the wicked.
Time to feed the ravens.
No mercy for the wicked. Thou shalt not shed blood in vain.
A just reward.
Rise and shine, knights.
Take a look at this.
A revelation, perhaps.
By God. The Lord is my witness.
Your command?
Your Highness.
Sinners shall bleed.
Time to feed the ravens.
Your orders?
Sinners shall bleed.
Kneel before the king.
I am here to serve. Your Highness?
No mercy for the wicked.
The Lord is my witness.
For my Camelot. Let me cut you to size.
For king and country.
The Lord is my witness.
Your Highness?
At your service, my lord.
It's all over now.
By God.
The Lord giveth.
Behold the vagrant knight, Arthur's chamber part bearer. My beloved husband return. Come, have a taste of the worms on my lips, Tegyr.
Don't do this, Ishilt. We are here to end your suffering.
So it took some strangers to muster up the courage to face me. Oh, don't turn away, Tegyr. Look at me.
For the sake of our children, please don't make this any harder.
Our children? The fruit of my womb is no more. Their blood is on your hands.
I raised as many crosses as I could. I prayed to the Lord until my mouth bled. But it wasn't enough.
Do you know how I died? Under whose blade?
I don't want to know.
Then be cursed forever. You are just as dead as we are, but stuck in a still-breathing shell.
I've sinned, Ishilt. But the Lord Almighty can save us all. Not in this life, but beyond.
I spit on your Christ. Don't you remember you married a pagan?
I still remember the day I set eyes upon you, Ishilt. Now you are just a beast, howling in pain.
Then come, husband. Let us lock in one final embrace. Come.
orders?
For the Lord Almighty.
Awaiting your command.
The Lord is my witness. Down with the vileness.
Sinners shall bleed.
Your Highness.
I can take them all.
Your orders?
For Avalon.
The Lord is my witness.
Your orders?
Kneel before your king.
It's done. My family suffers no more. I shall pray for their souls until the day I die. No, and I never will. A part of me is dead forever. I have nothing to live for. It cannot be stopped, I think. At least for now. No need to rub it in. But I'm still grateful you carried the burden I couldn't shoulder. Well, you surely want a loyal ally who doesn't care about living or dying. A place to share food and stories.
I have trodden the path of the righteous all my life. Do you wish to gain knowledge, my friend? This righteous champion has a good heart, just like me, so I'm willing to half my meager fee. Time to get up, lads.
Why have I kept my sanity in this corpse, while others turned into monsters? Why am I not disturbed by the rancid stench and bones sticking to my skin? Even as a former scholar of the dark arts, I simply can't unravel this mystery.
Sinners shall bleed. For the Lord Almighty.
No mercy for the wicked.
I fight for honor.
Awaiting your command.
Your orders? Justice has prevailed again. Look. I shall put this to good use.